Hello, my name is R.K. Chugh. I am associated with the GreenTree in the capacity of an advisor and a consultant for the last 2 years or so. And I really find this association very exciting, particularly keeping in view the fact that what GreenTree is doing is actually need of the hour. They are working into various facets of energy efficiency and sustainability, which today is important not only for India but globally. I have been associated with them indirectly for a very long time, ever since my association with Siemens Limited and also as president of EMA. We used to discuss on various areas of energy efficiency at that time also. And slowly, then, after my tenure was over with Siemens, I got into this role of an advisor for them. Well, GreenTree has many USPs in the area they operate in. In fact, they were one of the first few companies who started with this function of energy efficiency, and they are into this game since 2009. After that, this topic really caught on with various agencies, and now GreenTree, by virtue of their long experience, is delivering their best, not only in the area of building part, but also as an advisory role into various local and global organizations. They are rendering advisory services to Bureau of Energy Efficiency, EESL, and host of global agencies like USAID, GIZ, UK Pact, ADB, etc. And these agencies are really satisfied with their services. And I have no hesitation in making a claim that they have a very bright future because number one, Dhruv and Anurag, both of them are dedicated persons in this line, and over the years they have developed an excellent team with them. So, as they go ahead, they will be in a position to capitalize on the upcoming opportunities and deliver a good job. All the best to them. Wish to share another facet of GreenTree also, and that is in the form of GT Academy. GreenTree's portfolio is not confined only to products, systems, and advisory role, etc., but they have entered into this line of education part also, that is, skill building for professionals in the area of renewable energy, electric vehicles, energy efficiency on the whole. Because the idea is, if you really want to do justice with these topics, you have to be adequately knowledgeable about it. So, my message to all would be to support this initiative of GreenTree, be a part of it, so that this message is conveyed largely not only in India but abroad also among all the countries, that how together we can work in this important area of energy saving, carbon neutral approach to save this planet. Thank you.